And pen testing, like I said, does not do that. So don't confuse pen testing with red teaming. So the roadmap I have for how to become a pen tester, I have it broken down into 10 steps. So step one, you need to commit to the journey. And that sounds easier said than done. And it seems like a very basic step, but it's really important to really understand that becoming a pen tester, becoming an ethical hacker takes an extraordinary amount of effort, time, and dedication. You do have to make sacrifices to break into this profession. You need to spend hours on the computer, banging out commands on the keyboard, and it requires a lot of time, effort, and energy. So you can expect to fail a lot. You're not going to understand the concepts when you first read them, when you first watch them, and that's okay. Everyone starts somewhere. We all had to start as beginners. I knew nothing about being an ethical hacker before I started, and you really got to take the approach of learning just a little bit every single day, and you have to commit to lifelong learning, and you have to be willing to adapt, and most importantly, never quit, because there are days where you won't feel like studying. There will be days where you don't feel like reading the book, opening up the labs, learning this new technology, because there's a lot that goes into this field, and the ones who make it are the ones who just put one foot in front of the other day after day after day after day after day. And there isn't like a magic wand to just get the information in your head. It takes a long time. It is a long journey. So it's very important that you build the resilience up and you have that never quit attitude. So once you decide you want to become a penetration tester, one of the most important steps that people often ignore is being active in the community. And there's different platforms out there, but I truly believe LinkedIn is the best platform out there for professionals. So with LinkedIn, you want to make sure that it's filled out completely, right? You want to make sure that you have your about me filled out all the way with all the details. You want your entire work history, all your education, and you want to cram in all the information you possibly can on your profile. That way when someone clicks on it, they can find out a lot about your work history. And then once you make your profile and it's updated, and you want to keep it updated, by the way. So as you gain experience, as you gain certifications, as you do trainings, you want to continuously update your LinkedIn profile. And while you're doing all this learning, you want to post about your journey. So anytime you learn something new, you get a certification, you complete a try hacking room, you complete a hack the box machine, you want to share that on LinkedIn. And then you want to write a small paragraph on what you learned, why you decided to go after whatever you learned. And your goal with these posts is to help others who are behind you, because as soon as you start your journey, there are people behind you in the journey. And the best person you are equipped to serve is the person you used to be. So anytime you learn something new, post about it. It's valuable content for the community, and you will make connections that way. Because with LinkedIn, in networking in general, it's not what you know, it's who you know. They say that your network is your net worth after all. And while you do have to have many, many technical skills in this field, if you don't have the right connections, you're not going to land the jobs that you may hope for.